1973 Chevrolet Camaro Type LT here at Unique, especially in classics. This is an original California car. That's where it was delivered when it was new. Spent the majority of its life before going to Oregon and then coming to us here. Era correct, 350 underneath the hood, and that's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. 350 to be exact, power steering. Let's take a look at the split bumper front end. Chrome and bright work looking good up front. Chin spoiler. Light yellow, paint code 51 on this. Black vinyl interior, A51 bucket seat car, of course. All right, still pictures. Check them all out. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on US Mags chrome wheels. Radial tires, you can see disc brakes up front. Technician did note brakes are 100% in the front, 90% in the rear, so those are looking good. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Has had a more recent repaint, and those are painted black stripes on the hood and the trunk lid that you're going to see here shortly. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. Seats have been reupholstered, nice vinyl bucket seats. Aftermarket stereo system installed. Tech did note that is in op. I did not get that to power up, as well as the tack was in op. A little heads up on that. So we take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. You can see these panels are nice and straight too if you look from the rear to the front. Down the passenger side. Once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car on our website. Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, complete dual exhaust. There is a miscellaneous kind of folder or bag of receipts, as well as some original stuff, as in the owner's manual, some of the original paperwork from that California dealer. We'll go along with the car. If you like these Camaros, no matter what generation, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor, and you can see up and down this driver's side. Also really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Nice shine to that paint. Let's take a peek at the interior. Door panels looking good. And you can see bucket seats, really free of much wear. Let's go ahead and fire this up. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Let's hear it run, and stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. Top of the dash looking good. Headliner also intact, looking good. Nice throaty exhaust note with this one. Automatic transmission also recently rebuilt. It's one of those cars, get in it, turn the key, go have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one will turn some heads. Wouldn't be surprised if it brought home some trophies either. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's take a peek underneath this hood, wrap up this walk around video, and get Jason in it to drive it and show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood is clean as the rest of the car, and there it is, era correct, 350. A little dress up on it with the chrome valve covers, air cleaner cover, power steering. Battery shut off over here when it's in storage or in between drives. That Holly 4-barrel, excuse me, Edelbrock 4-barrel. do any decoding, there'll be a picture of the data tag in with the still pictures, as well as the VIN. Good looking 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Type LT. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all the still pics are. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1973 Chevrolet Camaro. This car yellow with black stripes on the hood. There is a slight rubbing noise coming from the rear of the car. I can hear the turn signals working. I do not see the blink, but I hear them working. Very strong running Camaro. This is an automatic on the center console. Sounds great. The amp gauge needle is aiming straight down. That one is not operating. However, the fuel gauge is almost a half a tank. Temperature gauge right around 180, which is a quarter of the way up the gauge. This is clock equipped. Our tachometer is not moving. The speedometer is though, and that appears to be reading correct at about 45 to 47 miles per hour right now. The blower motor does blow air. That would be for the heater on this car. Really nice looking. The yellow and black stands out. Got some wood grain inside. Very 1973. Comfortable vinyl bucket seats in this car. There is some pulsation in the brakes, but they work. They stop the car well. This car corner's pretty flat. There's a little bit of lean. I'd say less than you usually expect from a 73 Camaro. The car sounds great when you're on the throttle. Sounds great at idle too. A very fun 1973 Chevy Camaro. Check out all the pictures and details at UniqueClassicCars.com.